All right, and yeah, so it is about that time. It's been such a long damn grind. But yeah, we actually got enough to 6-star this lovely brutal force of a man. And yeah, so let's check this out. Ready? And yes. Promote a hero to 6-star. Ooh. Damn, man, that is sexy. Look at that. I Spite has successfully promoted Bay. Oh man, that feels good. All right, well, looks we got a couple of stigmas, pretty good. And yeah, I mean, I guess do I have to yield, bro? If I have to do this mission again, I'm gonna be actually kind of tight. Not exit battle. What the hell? Okay. I just like cleared floor 99 in a way that kind of cheesed the event. I put the screenshots on the screen, but what I was trying to do was see if I could like finish her off from like 35% to like dead, so that way she couldn't revive, and then bring in Ruel, because she gets a turn once she hits 30% and then automatically turns into Ruel, and it's kind of annoying. Not gonna lie. But I figure, you know what? Maybe we can do it. And what had happened was it brought up to Ken. Ken's turn came up. I did his second strong attack and I burned it so that he got an extra turn. And I was really hoping that he got to keep that extra turn and instead of like prioritizing Ruel. And fortunately it did, and I was able to finish her off. So we're gonna be doing floor 100 and then 5 Galaxy bookmarks, hopefully. If we can't beat it, then RIP. But as you can see here, costs quite a bit of stigma if I want to weaken it, but I haven't even tried it, so I want to definitely test this out. We're gonna try with just Tamarin. If we need more heals than anything, then I'll probably switch out my Vildred. Let me take off auto. But yeah, so the goal right now is gonna be weaken defense, AoE with Bologna. If she leaves anybody alive that Vildred can finish off, Vildred will use his third. Now keep in mind my team isn't really like crazy OP, simply because this is it's like my 36th day in the game, something like 34, 35, I don't even know. What time is it? Like 4:57, so one day before reset. Oh crap, oops, meant to do my third. Well, that's gonna suck. Did my Tammy just die too? I feel like this might have been a mistake. Maybe I should have saved this for the next turn. Oh, one person's alive. Tamarin needs to take her turn, like. We're gonna get hit so friggin' hard. What do I want to do? Let me see what she even does. Attacks with the Spear of Darkness, damage increases proportional to the number of debuffs inflicted on the enemy. Oh, that's gonna suck. Attacks with the Spear of Darkness, damage dealt increases proportional to the number of debuffs inflicted on the enemy. Attacks all enemies dispelling 2 debuffs. Oh, okay, that's interesting. One attack has a 50% chance to inflict burn, decreased attack, hit chance, defense, or speed. That's actually kind of cancer. Before increasing combat readiness of all allies. When enemy is debuffed at the start of their turn, grants stackable increased attack and speed. Okay, that's toxic. So, let me see how much I actually hit her for. Alright, I don't hit her for that much. Did we just get when attacked? Oh, that is actually really irritating. So Ken's gonna be taking a lot of damage. But I mean, like, we gotta hit the boss, right? Like, resistance good. Okay. Decrease defense. Try to keep that up at all times. Can I target? Yo, that is so bad. Oh my god. Yo, my Ken. I don't want my Ken to eat shit, bro. Could burn that. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to get off the heal here. Alright. Damn, we missed. This should increase our attack and defense, though. I might be mistaken. I don't really remember what his buff exactly does. I know it increases attack, but I forget if it increases defense too. Yeah, attack and defense. Yeah, so that's why I did that. Tamarin is coming here to actually like clear our debuffs. Bloodstone. Oh, he can't be healed. Oh, that is so bad for us. Alright, let's attack something else. If we can not attack her, that'd be great. Just in time for Tamarin. Oh god, yo. Alright, cleanse. AoE heal. Yeah, shine free, bitch. And yeah, here we go with Kenny. Kenny putting in that work, bro. I'm sorry, yo. Yo, Ken's mad OP. Yo, watch him like eat dick. Oh, she really about to eat that dick. Okay. Yo, she gets defense break. Okay. Oh, we might actually be able to beat this now. Okay, let's do this. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, Bologna having weakened defense along with a target comes in really, really clutch. Yep, and do this. Hopefully Kenny goes in. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bring it, bitch. Yeah, buddy. Yo. Mad clutch. That is so oh my god, bro. We actually cleared floor 100 on the first try. That is amazing. You have defeated all enemies, but an ominous energy still exists within. It feels like the tower will be restored sometime soon. It actually resets in like 2 days. Oh, that's amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually like low-key mad proud of myself. So we are gonna go summon these galaxy bookmarks. Hopefully we can get a shiny. Boom. Nope. Damn. Ottilie. Oh, wait. Oh, that's actually really good. Well, sort of. I don't think she's like crazy great or anything like that, but I think that's our 4th. Where is Ottilie? Grade. She's a light unit. There it is. Yeah, that's good. That's our 3rd one. Well, 3rd dupe. So what that means is I can get her to level 30, and then I can just feed it all into her, and then I'll have her at 4-star. So that'll be good. But yeah, I mean that concludes this video. Kind of. I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key proud of myself with my progress. Like I said, I'm like 34 or 5 days into the game. I have full auto Wyvern 11, full auto Golem 10, can almost clear Golem 11, can not clear 11 at all for Banshee, but I do have stage 10 auto, and I do have stage 9 auto for Azimanak. I don't really have crazy single target going on here, simply because my only real single target units that I've worked on are probably only Ken, Tamarin, Angelica, and I'm working on Lytica, but she also isn't like an attack all attack, which kind of messes her up a little bit. I think Azimanak you need single target DPS, but I'm not 100% sure. I could be wrong about that. But I appreciate y'all for joining me on this video. I don't really get too many views for Epic 7, so I do appreciate the ones that I do. And yeah, I just want to let you know that you guys are heavily appreciated on this new venture. whenever we put a new game into the channel, it usually kind of it usually bombs. But in my opinion, I'd rather just upload stuff that I'm happy with. You know what I'm saying? But expect the BBS video coming out soon. I do want to do a review on a character that you guys, some of you are gonna expect, some of you are not. But I'm gonna leave it at that. You know, this guy's Grind. I'll catch you up. Stay blessed. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.